Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Let's have a look at the rejection that's taken place this morning. So it's nothing too bad. Tuesdays often work like this nowadays, don't they, really? Tuesdays is often the down day for crypto, so don't be surprised to see a bit of a pullback. We seem to have been rejected on Bitcoin's previous candle wick local high. So interesting, but we moved into this big box of significance. It's the first time we've been in there for a while, and so maybe we get the support on the top of the box. I can't say if we're going to or not, but yesterday was a big move. Pretty big, really. If you just consider it from top to bottom, that was a good 6%, but the size of the candle isn't the more important thing. The fact that we broke outside the 200 simple, and now we're floated above all moving averages on this daily, that's the most important thing. So if we come back down, it'd still be okay to get a support around 63,350. So if we take ourselves to the 4 hourly, what we've got here is 63,750, 63,001. So yeah, I suppose what we'd be looking for would be any kind of pullback, so long as we don't come back any further than this, 63,230. These candle body highs on the 4 hourly, and it'd still be above the big breakout that took place. So that's fine. I think that's probably the best way to view today's price action. If we stagger our way down, this would be the bottom level of support. And if we lose this area, there is a chance we get bounces around these 200s. But really, if we want to see immediate continuation, you want to see it be bouncing around these levels. Momentum, there's nothing wrong with it. No no bearish diversions. That still looks relatively good and strong. And if we move ourselves over to the weekly, we haven't done it yet, but we would likely see a positive cross above the histogram towards the end of this week, closing on Sunday, and that would be nice. That would definitely be nice. So overall, it is looking good, but not without a pullback. The weekly, again, is above all moving averages. This week obviously started very nicely yesterday with a close above the Bollinger Band. And I made a couple of tutorials yesterday. They were sitting on the Patreon. So one was about simple Bollinger Band strategy. It's really useful. And I suppose looking back at what we see on this weekly from today, just using simple Bollinger Band strategy, I mean, it's a good tutorial to have made, really. Captain Hindsight kicks in and goes, yes, the Bollinger Band strategy, highly relevant. Anyway, it's all on the Patreon. And also on the Patreon, I've lowered the price by 50%, so feel free to join because of that. I'll have that for the rest of this month, maybe even next month as well. Right, so long story short, probably looking for a pullback with Bitcoin. Bitcoin will take the market down, and that's fine. It's just a down after the up, and then after that down, we should be getting support. Personally, depending on your risk tolerance, any one of these moving averages on a 4 hour should do it, but the lowest I'd expect it would be down here. That doesn't mean expect the lowest, I'm just saying if we close lower than the lowest, it's probably over. It's probably not going to be as good as we thought it was going to be. But it's quite good so far, so I wouldn't get too concerned. Right, that's it. Patreon live stream tonight, so we'll look at all those altcoins, every single one of them, all 100,000 altcoins. We'll check them all. So if you want to join, links in the description. Alternatively, just have a nice day and take it easy.